Hi, I'm Shrey from Georgia Tech. I will be talking about our work on developing a framework that helps infer Nash equilibria for human-robot parallel play. Humans perform tasks around other people all the time. Examples include carrying bread through a busy kitchen, driving in traffic, or getting groceries in a crowded store. Even though they have individual goals, most of these tasks are neither purely competitive nor purely collaborative. We refer to this kind of activities as parallel play. With increasing robot prevalence, we expect them to be able to perform parallel play activities with humans. So, our aim in this paper is to derive a framework that helps a robot to plan effectively in parallel play scenarios with human participants. We apply this framework to a close proximity pick and place scenario with a human and a robot. Although both agents reach for different objects here, there is conflict since they are still reaching in the same space. Planning the robot's action in this scenario requires us to predict the human's future actions. Theory of mind tells us that people consider the intents and beliefs of others when deciding their actions, and so the human's plan is influenced in part by their prediction of the robot. Modeling this cyclical dependence is important to accurately capture the interaction dynamics. The Nash equilibrium is a game-theoretic solution concept which defines a set of actions, one per interacting agent, that helps them achieve minimum cost assuming the actions of other agents are fixed. We plan using the Nash equilibrium since it implicitly captures the mutual interdependence of actions and predictions between the agents. It's been shown that people follow Nash equilibria solutions, and prior work in human-robot interactions has used this to predict human behavior. However, unlike prior work, we find that multiple Nash equilibria can exist in our game, and it's not clear how to choose between them. Let's look at an example scenario in our problem domain. The agents have a simplified action space here with only two actions each. The cost matrix shows the presence of two Nash equilibria, which I highlighted. The two action sequences that just appeared show the actions that the agents will take in each of the two equilibria. We can see that the equilibrium on the top favors player P1 by letting it reach its goal first, while the bottom one favors P2. However, if both agents choose actions based on the equilibrium favoring only them, it would lead to collision. So how can we design an approach that selects between equilibria in a way that can coordinate with humans? First, we note that humans have been shown to coordinate social behavior by learning and following norms. However, people can also ignore these norms in favor of their personal preference. For instance, a selfish agent may always act first and expect other people to comply. Our framework was designed to combine these two aspects in the form of a probability distribution, P of A. P of A is a distribution over equilibria, and it has two independent components. The first is P norm, which is a distribution based on domain-specific social norms set by an expert. The second, P alpha, is a distribution over equilibria based on the human's personality. The personality is encoded in a latent variable which is inferred during each interaction by our method. To act, we simply choose the most likely equilibrium under this distribution. We did 3 experiments. In the first one, we simulate a human by assigning them a personality at random and pairing them with either our algorithm Bayes Nash or one of the ablative baselines. In the next experiment, both agents are controlled by people and we investigate their natural interaction patterns. Results from both of these showed that the defensive agent is the slowest and the selfish agent causes the most collisions. Bayes Nash was able to balance this trade-off between task completion time and the potential for collisions. In our last study, we paired people with a robot. The results again showed that Bayes Nash was faster than a defensive robot. However, we showed that the selfish algorithm caused fewer collisions than Bayes Nash. This was surprising, and we discussed potential causes for it in detail in the paper. In summary, we introduce a probabilistic framework that allows us to select between equilibria using social norms and personality inference. We apply this to human-robot interaction and perform 3 experiments to show the validity of our approach. I hope you found this talk interesting, and we'll see you at our poster session. Thank you.